Little storyteller.
Barnaby Brick and Penelope Plate, two happy Lego minifigures, were best friends. Barnaby had bright blue overalls and a cheerful smile, while Penelope wore a sunny yellow dress and had a little red bow on her head. They loved to build things together in their colorful Lego workshop, filled with every kind of brick imaginable. Outside their workshop was a long, smooth track where the annual Slowest Car race was about to begin. The goal wasn't to be fast, but to be the very last to cross the finish line. Barnaby and Penelope had worked for days on their special car. It was made of big, chunky green and brown Lego bricks, with 4 wobbly yellow wheels. They even added a tiny blue flag on top that fluttered gently in the breeze. They called it the Sleepy Snail. The race began. Cars of all shapes and sizes slowly rolled down the track. There was a tall, thin car with giant wheels, and a short, wide car shaped like a bathtub. The Sleepy Snail wobbled along nicely, just as Barnaby and Penelope had hoped. As the Sleepy Snail approached the finish line, something unexpected happened. With a gentle clatter, the car came apart. The green and brown bricks tumbled onto the ground, and the wobbly yellow wheels rolled to a stop. Barnaby and Penelope looked a little surprised, but not sad. Then a little bit of magic happened. The Lego bricks began to wiggle and jiggle all by themselves. They hopped and skipped, and with a few little clicks, they started to fit back together in a new way. When the last little blue brick snapped into place, Barnaby and Penelope gasped with delight. Their Sleepy Snail had transformed into a tiny, perfect trophy. It was a shiny golden color, with the words "Slowest Car Champion" written on a little plaque made of Lego. Barnaby held up the tiny trophy, beaming. Penelope clapped her hands happily. They had won the slowest car race in the most surprising way. They learned that even when things fall apart, they can sometimes come back together in a wonderful new form. Just like how all the different Lego bricks can be used to build so many amazing things.
Please subscribe. Thank you.